everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sarah and I'm a fluid figurative artist. Now this is a pour that I didn't like, and so I'm just gonna pour over it. And for the base I actually prepared textured gesso, so the base is uneven, so please bear that in mind. Now I've prepared all the pastel colors, and as I want this to be a really sweet artwork, but we'll see how it goes. So as you can see, my paints are very watery. My paints are only mixed with water as usual. um yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna cover it up and reuse the canvas because this is a linen canvas, so it's a very expensive canvas. Now here I have pastel blue, and I'm adding another sky blue in between, just yeah, to blend in. Now if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel so that I can produce more free content for all of you. So really thank you, and I do appreciate it a lot. And for those who are not new, who has been with me up to now, I would love to thank you for always tuning in to my channel and to keep up with my artworks. Can you believe it? It's a week already. A week has gone past just like that again. Like, I felt like I'm doing a video every day for all of you to see, but it's only once a week. That's how fast time has really passed with me. I hope time, moves slower for you guys, so that you enjoy each day. Now here, as you can see, my paints are not consistent in like some of them are really runny, like this one is really runny. It looks like a diarrhea. My pink is also very runny. Look how it runs and everywhere it pleases, like it's just too watery. So I have a bad feeling about this because just look at the pins, they're just too runny, but I'm just gonna go ahead with it anyway because I don't want to waste the pour, and I'll try to fix it as much as I can, hopefully, but we'll see how this goes. Now with watery paints, the more you need to touch it to burst all the air bubbles. Otherwise it will just create a lot of tiny bubbles when you blow out later. So here I'm blowing it downwards. Can you see the paint just runs like it's running somewhere really quickly? So my paints are very thin, but I'm just gonna blow it out anyway. So just look at the colors. Isn't it just amazing how they blend together? Like, these pastel colors are just so beautiful. So I'm just gonna blow it downwards, and then for the other side I'll blow it outwards. Here I blow it outwards because I already have an image in my mind what I want to do, and that will be the body of a bird, and then the wings will spread both sides. So this is what I call detail pour, where I plan my work and blow out according to what I want to form in my fluid art. can see how I use my blow dryer to form the shape of the bird. It's actually nice already, but when I see it, I think it's a bit too light, probably because I have too much spotlights shining in this direction. So I thought it's very pale, and so I add darker colors to try to bring out more tones of this bird. Now this is the beauty of Fluidart. When you don't like something, you can always change it, but it's also a weakness in Fluidart. Like, you waste a lot of paste, or sometimes you don't see the beauty now, but it's actually beautiful when it dries. But you already, change the design. You cannot, alter it back to the first design anymore. And also sometimes if you mix too much or you blow out too much and you mix too much colors, it will become very murky. So there are good and bad to it. Let me know at the comment section if you think that the first light blue bird is much nicer, or the end result at the end of this video is nicer. Of course, I cannot change the outcome of it anymore. It's already done. But I would love to hear your thoughts anyway, and just to know what you think, and just to connect with all of you and get to know you guys much better too. Again, I cannot see the beauty of this one, so I'm gonna re-pour again and add much darker colors to it. I think I must be blind, I don't know, but when I did this piece, I think I'm just blind. see all the cells just popping up by itself, trust me, there is no Floetrol, no glue, no pouring medium of any sorts. It's just water and paint, but I got just too many cells and I don't like it. So yep, if you don't want many cells in your artworks, make sure that your paints are not runny, then you have less cells. Okay, I think I'm more satisfied now. There is a bigger impact of the bird diving out of the water, and this is what I had in my mind, and I executed it, and I am actually very happy with the colors and also the impact it has. The movement of the bird diving out of the water is more prominent. I hope you guys love this demonstration and the process of making this piece. I'll see you guys again next week. So take care all and be happy. Bye.